how to request a free credit report from Equifax. Need a free copy of your credit report? Here's the fastest way to get it online. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to request your free Equifax credit report, step by step, without paying a cent. Step 1. Go to annualcreditreport.com. This is the official website for free credit reports in the US. Step 2. Click Request Your Free Credit Reports. Step 3. Enter your full name, date of birth, social security number, and current address. Step 4. Choose Equifax from the list of credit bureaus. Step 5. Answer the security questions based on your credit history, like past loans or previous addresses. Step 6. Once verified, you will be redirected to Equifax's site where you can view and download your credit report instantly. Pro tip, you can request one free Equifax report every week. Take advantage and monitor your credit regularly. Was this helpful? Hit the like button, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and drop a comment if you'd like a tutorial on Experian or TransUnion next. Thanks for watching.